The National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, known as NEET, is a single medical entrance exam conducted for MBBS, BDS, Ayush, BVSC and AH admissions in India. The admission to BSc nursing course and merger of AIIMS and JIPMER MBBS admissions makes it more important for students to leave no stone unturned for better NEET preparations this year. The preparations not just include studying hard, but also preparing as per the NEET dress code and exam day guidelines. The National Testing Agency has released the information brochure at neet.nta.nic.in mentioning the NEET dress code for male and female candidates. Careers 360 brings a video on NEET 2021 dress code to help the aspirants to understand what to wear, what to avoid, rules for customary dress and other guidelines. Now let us check the NEET dress code for the boys. Wear half-sleeve shirts or t-shirts. Wearing full-sleeve shirts are not allowed. For the bottom half, wear trousers and simple pants. Kurta pajamas are not allowed. In terms of footwear, only wearing sandals or chappals as shoes are strictly prohibited. Only wear light clothes and avoid wearing clothes with zip pockets, extra pockets, big buttons and clothes with elaborated embroidery. The NEET dress code for girl candidates. For the upper half, wear half-sleeves clothes. Female NEET aspirants are not allowed to wear full-sleeve shirts and t-shirts. Slippers or sandals with low heels can be worn. Avoid high heels and thick-soled shoes. Girls are advised not to wear any kind of jewelry like earrings, nose rings, pendants, necklace, bracelets or anklets. Do not wear high embroidery clothes like flowers, brooches or buttons as this is prohibited. There are special guidelines for customary dresses. Candidates who follow a respective custom or religion must have been selected to wear customary dresses in the NEET application form. For those aspirants, the following guidelines will be applicable. Sikh candidates will be allowed to carry their traditional kangha, kada, kripad with them. Muslim female aspirants can opt to wear burqa. They have to report 2 hours early at the examination center. Things to carry to the exam hall. The NEET admit card with passport size photograph pasted on it. 1 passport size photograph to be affixed on the attendance sheet. Postcard size photograph with white background pasted on the proforma downloaded with admit card. Valid ID photo proof. PWD certificate if applicable. What not to carry to the exam hall. Candidates with any of the following items will be debarred from appearing in the exam. Stationery items like pen, paper, pencil box, plastic pouch, scale, writing pad, eraser, calculator, electronic pen scanner, pen drive, etc. Electronic devices like calculator, earphones, microphones, pager, health band are not allowed. Personal belongings like wallet, goggles, handbags, belt, cap, etc., eatables and water bottles are also not allowed inside the NEET exam center. If anyone is diabetic and mention the same in the application form, then these guidelines must be followed. They can carry fresh fruits, sugar tablets and a transparent water bottle. The packed food or such items should not be carried. All the do's and don'ts of NEET dress code must be followed to avoid any last-minute inconvenience. Aspirants are advised to report an hour early at the exam center to avoid delay in the frisking process. In case of any kind of query related to the NEET dress code, please comment below. All the best for your exam.